Hi, my name's Heidi, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to input individuals into your flowprofiler platform without having to send them an assessment. Once you've logged in, simply move to the navigation bar on the left of your screen. Under Invite, select Input. Here you add in the individual's first name, their last name, and their email address. You can also assign a label for the individual or select one that you have previously added in. Once you've completed this, you have the opportunity to add in more than one individual by clicking the plus below here. Once you have added in all the individuals you need to, simply select Save, and this individual will be saved into your account. That's all. Thanks so much.